how to make a profile on Snapchat. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to make profile on Snapchat. So in most countries, if you're a Snapchatter who is 18 plus, you're eligible for a public profile and will have one that you can choose to use. To begin using the public profile, first of all, launch to your Snapchat application and log in into your account. Once logged in, tap the Bitmoji icon. So first of all, you'll have to make changes with your settings. So go to the gear icon. Over here, you'll need to scroll down and go to privacy control. After that, for use my Bitmoji avatar and view my story, you'll need to make it everyone. In order to make it public, you'll have to enable everyone and make sure that's not selected on only me. So after you've done making changes with your settings, you'll need to head back to the profile page. Over here, you'll be able to see public profile. So tap create public profile in order to begin with. So click on the continue button. In my case, I already have a public profile, so the steps might be shortened, but then you can follow the on-screen prompt. All you have to do is just create a profile, just set a username, just add a bio, set a profile, set up a username, add bio. You can just decorate it with, and you can add profile picture and all that. In this way, you can make profile on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.